In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the "we have sent the code to the Telegram app on your other device" issue. This problem usually appears when you're trying to log into Telegram. But instead of sending a code via SMS or a call, Telegram sends the login code to another device where your account is already active. That's a security feature, but it can be really frustrating if you no longer have access to that other device, or you simply can't find the code. Let's walk through what you can do to solve this, step by step, in a clear and simple way. First, if you still have access to that other device, open the Telegram app there and check your chats. Telegram normally sends the login code as a message from the Telegram service account. Just open that conversation, copy the code, and then type it into the login screen on your new device. Make sure you enter it exactly as shown, including any spaces or formatting. If the code doesn't arrive right away, wait a few seconds and check again, or pull down to refresh your chat list. If you don't see the code, double-check that the other device is connected to the internet. Without an internet connection, Telegram can't deliver the message. Turn on mobile data or connect to Wi-Fi. Reopen the app and look for that code one more time. Now, if you completely lost access to the other device, or you can't open Telegram on it at all, you'll need to switch to a different login option. On the login screen, when Telegram says it sent the code to your other device, look carefully for a small option like "Didn't get the code?" or anything similar. Tap that, and you should get the choice to receive the code via SMS or a phone call instead. Select SMS first and wait for the text message. If SMS doesn't arrive after a short time, go back and choose the phone call option and answer the call to hear your code. Make sure the phone number you entered is exactly your current number, including the correct country code. Even a small typo will prevent the code from reaching you. Finally, once you're in, consider cleaning up old active sessions so this doesn't happen again. In Telegram settings, go to the Privacy or Devices section and log out of devices you no longer use. That way, future login codes are less likely to be sent somewhere you can't reach. Follow these steps carefully, and you should be able to get past that message and access your Telegram account again.